2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo Van. This van transports any and all cargo to its final destination. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: turbocharged engine, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.